everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got another test and a review going on of another dessert item that we picked out over here. And this one's going to be, obviously we're going to do it in the whirlpool that we've been testing anyway, but this is another one of these microwavable ones. They have like 4 or 5 different kinds. The other ones look a little swazy. I don't know if I'm going to get those ones, but so I'm not thinking about that. But these ones, this one and the other one that we got before, that one seemed like the best ones. This one with some vanilla ice cream on it will be awesome. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm thinking. But this one says microwave. This is what the box looks like, and you'll be seeing, what's in the store and stuff like that. I don't know if you can order these, online off Amazon or something like that. But that's kind of what it all looks like. All right, guys. So this is supposed to be a very simple, like I said, very simple, quick little dessert that you can get if you're with your friends and stuff like that. You want to make something quick and don't want so many ingredients to do so. This is kind of what's up, because you don't sacrifice too much of the quality. I mean, no, it's not the best of the best, but I mean, you're not sacrificing so much of it to get this really quickly. All right, guys, so it says over here 1/4 cup of water. Let's throw that in there. All right, guys, so this one does say make sure you do spray this pan, okay? And I like to spray them over the sink just to make sure you're not getting it all over the place. All right, guys, so it does say to make sure to try to spread this out evenly. Honestly, you don't got to do it too much. I mean, it says spread it evenly, but mine kind of already, mine kind of already settled. And I think with enough of the Pam, if you put enough of this in it, which I sprayed a decent amount of Pam in here, it's gonna, it's gonna automatically start to disperse and spread evenly, the best it can. I mean, so I don't think you really need to do it too much, unless I guess maybe it's really cold or you're not using something like this. Then maybe you're gonna have to spread it around a little bit better. All right, guys. So they recommend if you have a 1200 watt microwave or a 1000 watt microwave, they recommend a little bit different. Okay, it's 2 minutes and 10 seconds for 1200 watt, and then over here it says 2 minutes and 40 seconds, so it's a 30 seconds difference. So I'm going to split that in half, add the 15 to it, so I'm roughly going to do like 220, maybe 225. I'll probably do 220 because I don't like anything overcooked or whatever. All right, and then we're going to try this out in here, okay? Now, if you don't know your specs on your microwave or whatever, usually they will tell you on the information guide right here. When you open up your door, guys, in your microwave, look around for a little sticker over here. There's a bunch of stickers. There's you should find one. If it's relatively new, 20 years or less, I guess, of a microwave, you will see it. But like I said, this one, we're getting told that it is 1100 watts. Don't mind the microwave oven or whatever looking a little nasty. We are going to review an awesome, well, supposedly awesome oven cleaner. We are going to review together, but I have that on order or whatever, and I don't know when that's coming. That's going to come at some time, but we have a lot of projects or whatever, so that's the reason why I'm not really caring, because I want to, I want to do the review with you on that oven cleaner, like, in depth, and see how good it is or whatever the case may be. So let's cook this up here and see what's up. We got that in there. That was the finished product, and now it says, like I said, we're going to do 2, 2, 0. Let's start a pop in the middle. See those little bubbles you could see? We got 1 minute left. All right, guys, so that is the finished product. That's kind of what it looks like. Okay. Hopefully it's done. Mega brownie chewy fudge. All right, guys, let's go upstairs and let's go try this out.
It tastes okay.
Tastes okay though?
Mm-hmm. Just didn't cook very well, huh?
No, the whole thing fell apart. This one, look, it's just a pile of mess. All right, everyone. So that is it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on a small review of this, and pretty much my opinionated review of it, because everyone's, is going to come out a little bit different depending on your microwave or whatever. So, I mean, I did a bunch of reviews, obviously, cooking with this thing so many times, but it's a review of this, you know, of pretty much, you know, what I think it tastes like and what you at least saw the final product of what it comes out like and how easy it was and what your expectations can be. The other one that we got before tasted a lot better. The cake one, I think it was just a white cake, pound cake, or I don't remember what they call it, but just, you know, regular plain cake. Is what they call it. That was, I think, a lot better. The texture was a lot better. But I am not a whole fan all the time of brownie stuff, just to let you know. It's got to be like really, really good for me to like the brownie. Usually this stuff, I find it's very like fake, artificial tasting. A lot of, not just this, a lot of these kind of products. That's just me. So you have to kind of be into it. But maybe if you mix it with some ice cream, then you're talking, you know, you don't know. Like, we wouldn't buy this again. I wouldn't go and purchase this. I know it was only $2.50, but I really didn't find like the waste of, you know, all the power and all the time that I spent to really taste this. I don't think it was that good, just to let you know. The other one is way better, and I'd rather have that with my friends if you're partying, doing whatever you're doing, and you got the munchies or whatever. You pop in that cake one. Oh man, I think you guys are gonna be way happier than that, unless someone really needs their chocolate fix. Then I guess you can get this. All right. But that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, someway, times a million equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions I have on the products that I did already review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody, and I will see you guys later.